I discovered a weird rounding error in Google Sheets that affects both Google Sheets and Excel. And it's that not every hour of the day will correspond to exact hour or 60 minutes. So I have the actual results here for every hour span of the day. And so you can see some of these are just a hair less and some are just a hair more. So the issue is if you try to do a direct comparison to a whole number. And so let's go ahead and let that fill down. So this is just a straight up 60 that I entered. And if we scroll down, you can see this is false. This one is false. And so all these that are either less or more are not exactly equal. And so the confusing thing about this is that if you decrease the decimal places, it looks to be a whole number. And so it isn't until you increase the decimal places to the correct amount that you'll see that. And that goes for either way, it rounds to that number. So what's the solution here? How do we fix this? So we have to do a round on our result to round it to a whole number. And so now I can drag this down. I'm going to drag it down. This one needs to be slightly different because it's crossing a day. So let's do round there. And now we have true across the board. Let me know in the comments if you've run into this issue before. And then make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.